So let me begin. As I said, I'll start from an introduction to the protection of children. You see, protection of children, if you look at it historically over evolution of human being over the last, say, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 years, protecting children was always seen as the responsibility of parents and the family, and the extended family, and at best of the local community. The primary responsibility was always with the parents, or mother, the father. And then, of course, the larger family, the aunt and the uncles, or the grandmother and the grandfather, and so on. And then, at best, to the local community. That is why there's a saying which goes something like this: a community cannot give birth to a child. A community cannot give birth to a child. This is a community of whatever, 66 people sitting and talking to each other. This is a community. We cannot give birth to a child. Only a mother can give birth to a child. Only a mother can give birth to a child. So that is a fundamental role of the mother and, of course, the father. Because a community cannot give birth to a child, only the mother can. So this emphasizes what we have historically seen, that the responsibility for a child lies with the parent, with the mother and the father. But at the same time, there's another proverb which you may have heard of. Only a mother may be able to give birth to a child, but only a village can bring up a child. So a mother can give birth to a child, only a mother can, but a mother and a father by itself cannot bring up a child. The whole village is necessary, the whole community is necessary to bring up a child. That's how it has been for years. The mother, the father, the grandmother, the grandfather, the child's aunts, the uncles, the great aunts, the great uncles, especially in extended, in large undivided families that we used to have before, at the larger village community, they all brought up the child. And that is how it historically was. But things started changing later on, especially with the growth of communication. Initially, 100 years ago, 200 years ago, you could basically communicate only within your own village community. Now, as communication grew, the world became a smaller and smaller place. The next village also became a part of this village. The whole district became a village. The whole state became a village. The whole country became a village. And today we speak about the whole world being one village. Vasudeva Kudumba. We have in our history, we have heard about tremendously global principle that to us, the whole world is a family.